Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi! My name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Calandra Tarot by Michael Calandra. This is published by US Game Systems, retailing for $23.95 in the US, and as always in the description box below, I will link where you can legitimately purchase this should you want to. Thank you so much to US Game Systems for sending this our way. Now, let's get into it. The Calandra Tarot deck, created by fantasy artist Michael Calandra, is a mesmerizing work of luminous imagery inspired by traditional tarot. Calandra's hand-drawn art showcases depth, texture, and a palette of soft, glowing colors, resulting in a tarot deck that is both visually stunning and spiritually evocative. Each card was intricately designed by the artist using traditional mediums of airbrush, acrylic paint, and color pencils. The 80-card deck includes 2 additional cards that explore the duality of life, as above and so below. The 120-page guidebook provides keywords and meanings, as well as instructions for reading the cards, including a custom self-awareness exploration spread. I am so excited. I love fantasy art so much. Okay, before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook. Guidebook is by Trish Sullivan. Okay, we have a table of contents here with the introduction. We have card descriptions. It goes into the major, and then the as above, so below, and then the minor arcana. And then we have using the cards and about the creators. Okay, the Calandra Tarot deck was inspired by the traditional card descriptions and by listening to my own creative process as I interpreted the tarot images. I worked on the minor arcana cards in random order, working on whatever card spoke to me. It was a strange experience as I felt the cards chose the order in which they would be done. Oh, that's really interesting. Okay, so then it goes into the meanings. Here's some spreads in the back. So we have one card, the past, present, and future, and then it goes into other 3-card spreads and the self-awareness exploration spread. Very cool. Okay, I'm going to unwrap this and I'll be right back. All right, here we got the back. Beautiful. And then let's check out the cardstock. It is that nice US Game Systems cardstock. I really like it. It's very flexible, but it snaps back. It's right in that sweet spot. It's not too thin, not too thick, and it's going to shuffle really nicely because of that. All right, let's get into it. I am very excited. This looks very fun. We have the title and the number down at the bottom. Let me bring you in a little bit closer. Ooh. Oh, wow. I love the split hair. That is awesome. More duality there. Love that. The light, that is just so cool. Ooh. That is a very interesting justice. I like that she has wings. Ooh. The detail in the images are just stunning. Oh, wow. Ooh, this is giving Hecate vibes. Love that. Oh, sweet. Okay, there's the as above. So below. And we're in the minor. So we have the Ace of Pentacles now in the suit of Pentacles. Interesting. The artwork is just stunning. It's giving high fantasy literature. It's giving high fantasy adventure. I really enjoy this art style. This is taking me back to like those really epic 80s fantasy movies. In the best way. Oh, her blanket has the astrology on it. The little details. Oh, that's fun. There's so much movement and action in the cards. The Luna moths. Okay, wands. Oh, sweet. I just love how everything glows from within. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, I love that. And cups. Oh. Interesting. Huh, that was really cool, the smoke. Oh, I like this one. Gorgeous. Oh, wow. Okay. It is beautiful. Let's see how it shuffles. Oh, yeah. Very flexible. Snapping back. Yeah. Shuffles great this way too. All right, let's get a card to read, please. Temperance. We have some keywords with harmony, moderation, and balance. The sun shines on crenellated ruins, making them look like a crown, emphasizing the successful achievement of temperance control over duality. Under the blue sky, angelic temperance stands carefully pouring water from one goblet into another. The elemental symbol on their bodice shows the fire beneath a calm exterior. They are equally content with one foot on land and one in water, suggesting the dual world they inhabit. They are able to blend a world of difference into harmony. Their wings echo the opposing energies they harness, one black, almost demonic, the other pure white and angelic. As white butterflies float past, they turn and fly away. When you appreciate the differences of those around you, you can also begin to find common ground and a harmonious way forward. Let yourself be guided by moderation and control. Try to be respectful and diplomatic in your interactions, making sure you truly listen to both sides of any argument before making any decisions. Okay, I think this is beautiful. I really do love the artwork so much. The guidebook is great if you are fairly new or beginner to reading tarot, because the symbolism is here as you would have in like the original Rider-Waite-Smith, if that is your choice. I love how dynamic this is, and it's just stunning. It's beautiful. I was worried that I wasn't going to see any kind of different skin colors, skin tones, that sort of thing, body types, but we did see a lot more of that in the minor arcana. So I really am thankful, because me personally, I love to see it. But it is a beautiful deck and the quality is great, and I don't mind the price tag. I like the guidebook. So yeah, I really don't have anything to criticize. I think it's gorgeous. If you are a fan of high fantasy books, high fantasy adventures, and media in general, this might be a deck for you because you can relate to the imagery and appreciate it. Stunning art. Very, very beautiful. I love the interpretations. I think it is very, very fun and dynamic. So with that being said, I would love to know your thoughts about this deck. Is this something that you are excited about? Is this something that you have had on your radar for a minute? What are your thoughts? Let me know down in the comment section below. I truly do love hearing your guys' thoughts and opinions. And thank you to US Game Systems for sending this deck my way. I am very thankful, and thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you haven't done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an upload from me, and all of that helps me out with the YouTube algorithm gods. So thank you so much again. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.